Welcome to my channel English World, useful for SSC and other exams. Today in this channel, I will solve 100 MCQ questions and answers from Indus Valley Civilization. आज इस वीडियो में मैं सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता से संबंधित 100 MCQ पर चर्चा करूंगा. The first question, the famous figure of dancing girl found in the excavation of Mohenjo-daro was made up of. मोहनजोदाड़ो की खुदाई में मिली प्रसिद्ध डांसिंग गर्ल की मूर्ति किससे बनी है? तो ऑप्शन ए टेराकोटा, ऑप्शन बी स्टेटाइट, ऑप्शन सी ब्रोंज, ऑप्शन डी रेड लाइमस्टोन. The correct answer is option C, bronze. The dancing girl of Mohenjo-daro is a bronze statue, 10.5 centimeter tall, made using the lost wax casting method. It represents the high level of metal craftsmanship. This Hindi portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 2. Which metal has so far not been discovered in Harappan sites? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी धातु अब तक हड़प्पा स्थलों पर नहीं पाई गई है? ऑप्शन ए कॉपर, ऑप्शन बी गोल्ड, ऑप्शन सी सिल्वर, ऑप्शन डी आयरन. तो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी आयरन. Iron was not known to the Indus Valley civilization. They primarily used copper, bronze, and gold. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 3. Indus Valley civilization was discovered in. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की खोज कब हुई थी? ऑप्शन ए 1911, ऑप्शन बी 1921, ऑप्शन सी 1931, ऑप्शन डी 1941. तो सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी 1921. Indus Valley civilization was discovered by archaeologist Daram Sahani in 1921 at Harappa in present-day Pakistan. This portion for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 4. Mohenjo-daro is situated in which of the following? मोहनजोदाड़ो निम्नलिखित में से कहाँ स्थित है? ऑप्शन ए गुजरात स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया, ऑप्शन बी पंजाब स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया, ऑप्शन सी सिंध प्रोविंस इन पाकिस्तान, ऑप्शन डी अफगानिस्तान. The correct answer is option C, Sindh province in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro is located in the Sindh province of Pakistan near the Indus River. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 5. The largest site of Harappa in India is. भारत में हड़प्पा सभ्यता के सबसे बड़ा स्थल कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए आलमगीर फोर्ट, ऑप्शन बी कालीबंगा, ऑप्शन सी लोथल, ऑप्शन डी राखी गढ़ी. तो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी राखीगढ़. Rakhigori, located in Haryana, is the largest Indus Valley civilization site in India. It is even larger than Mohenjo-daro in area. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 6. The local name of Mohenjo-daro is. Mohenjo-daro का स्थानीय नाम क्या है? Option A, Mound of Living. Option B, Mound of Great. Option C, Mound of Dead. Option D, Mound of Survivor. The right answer option C, Mound of Dead. Mohenjo-daro in Sindh means Mound of Dead. Named so due to ruins and burial remains found at the site. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 7. Which side of Indus Valley is now in Pakistan? सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की कौन सा स्थल अब पाकिस्तान में है? ऑप्शन ए कालीबंगा, ऑप्शन बी हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन सी लोथल, ऑप्शन डी आलमगीर फोर्ट. The correct answer is option B, Harappa. Harappa is located in present-day Punjab province of Pakistan. It was one of the first discovered sites of Indus Valley civilization and gave the name Harappan civilization to entire culture. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. The nature of Indus Valley civilization was. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता का स्वभाव कैसा था? ऑप्शन ए अर्बन, ऑप्शन बी रूरल, ऑप्शन डी एग्रीकल्चरल, ऑप्शन डी none of these. Right answer option A, urban, शहरी. Indus Valley civilization was highly urbanized. Cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa had well-planned layouts, brick houses, drainage systems, public buildings like the Great Bath and granaries. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. क्वेश्चन 9 इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन बिलोंग टू सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता किस युग से संबंधित है ऑप्शन ए प्री हिस्टोरिकल ऑप्शन बी हिस्टोरिकल पीरियड ऑप्शन सी प्रोटो हिस्टोरिकल ऑप्शन डी पोस्ट हिस्टोरिकल तो करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी प्रोटो हिस्टोरिकल Indus Valley civilization is called proto-historical because it existed during the time when writing was new, but the script was not yet been deciphered. Hence, it lies between the prehistoric no writing and historic deciphered script periods. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 10. A statue of bearded man was found at दाढ़ी वाले व्यक्ति की एक मूर्ति कहाँ से प्राप्त हुई थी ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो ऑप्शन सी चांगुदरो ऑप्शन डी धोलावीरा तो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो A famous sculpture from Mohenjo-daro is the bust of a bearded man with half-closed eyes, possibly indicating the military pose. He wears a decorated shield over the shoulder. It is considered a fine example of Harappan art, and it is believed by some to be a priest. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. क्वेश्चन 11 इन इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन द स्क्रिप्ट वाज सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता में उपयोग की गई लिपि कौन सी थी ऑप्शन खरोष्टी ब्राह्मी ऑप्शन सी बोस्ट्रोफेडोन ऑप्शन डी नॉन ऑफ दिस तो करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी बोस्ट्रोफेडोन the Indus script is believed to be bostrofedon meaning the direction of writing alternates between left to right and right to left. This script has not yet been deciphered. Kharoshthi and Brahmi are later scripts used in Asukan inscription. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 12. Which of the following is the latest site found? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की नवीनतम खोजी गई साइट है ऑप्शन ए धोलावीरा ऑप्शन बी आमरी ऑप्शन सी लोथल ऑप्शन डी कालीबंगा तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए धोलावीरा Dholavira, located in Gujarat's Kutch district, was discovered in 1967 to 1968 by J.P. Joshi. It is one of the most recently found major sites of Indus Valley civilization and is known for its sophisticated urban planning and order. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 13. हड़प्पा is located on the bank of river. हड़प्पा किस नदी के किनारे स्थित है हड़प्पा किस नदी के किनारे स्थित है ऑप्शन ए इंडस ऑप्शन बी रावी ऑप्शन सी बियस ऑप्शन डी सतलेज तो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी रावी Harappa was located on the bank of Ravi River in the Montgomery district of West Punjab, now in Pakistan. It was one of the first discovered sites of Indus Valley civilization. In contrast, the Mohenjo-daro was located on the bank of Indus River. Ropar was situated near the Sutlej River. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 40. The local name of Mohenjo-daro is Mohenjo-daro की स्थानीय नाम क्या है ऑप्शन माउंट ऑफ लिविंग ऑप्शन बी माउंट ऑफ सर्वाइवर ऑप्शन सी माउंट ऑफ डेट ऑप्शन डी माउंट ऑफ ग्रेट तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी माउंट ऑफ डेट Mohenjo-daro is not original name of the site. Local people gave it this name meaning Mount of Dead after seeing the large heaps of ruined bricks and debris. It signifies that the place was long abandoned and resembled a graveyard of past. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 16. Which one of the following Indus Valley civilization sites gives evidence of stadium? निम्नलिखित में से किस सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता स्थल से स्टेडियम की प्रमाण मिली है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन सी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन डी धोलावीरा. The correct answer is option D, Dholavira. The excavation at Dholavira, Kutch, Gujarat, revealed the existence of a stadium-like structure with terraced seating for about 10,000 spectators. This is considered one of the oldest known stadiums, showing the advanced planning of Harappa. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 17. The people of Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses on सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के लोग अपने घर किससे बनाते थे? ऑप्शन ए पक्का ब्रिक्स, ऑप्शन बी ऊंट, ऑप्शन सी स्टोन, ऑप्शन डी none of these. राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए पक्का ब्रिक्स. Harappan houses were typically made with baked bricks, often 1 or 2 stories high. They featured flat roofs, courtyards, private wells, bathrooms with advanced drainage system. This portion is for those who are comfortable with it. Question 18. A seal depicting mother goddesses with plant growing from the womb has been found from माँ देवी की एक मोहर मोहर जिसमें गर्भ से पौधा उगाता दिखाया गया है, कहाँ से मिली है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन सी कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन डी धोलावीरा. तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा. A seal discovered at Harappa shows a female figure with a plant growing from her womb, representing the fertility and the earth or mother goddesses. This is seen as symbolic of agricultural abundance and divine community. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 19. Indus Valley civilization was discovered by सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की खोज किसने की थी? ऑप्शन ए दयाराम साहनी, ऑप्शन बी आर डी बनर्जी, ऑप्शन सी कानिंघम, ऑप्शन डी व्हीलर. तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए दयाराम साहनी. The Harappan civilization was first discovered in 1921 by Daram Sahani at Harappa. Shortly after, R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro in 1922. This discovery led to the identification of a previously unknown ancient civilization. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 20. A lot of beads were discovered from. बहुत सारी बीड्स किस स्थल से प्राप्त हुई है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन सी लोथल, ऑप्शन डी धोलावीरा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो. Question 21. The site of Mohenjo-daro is located on the bank of. मोहनजोदड़ो स्थल किस नदी के किनारे स्थित है? ऑप्शन ए रावी, ऑप्शन बी बियस, ऑप्शन सी इंडस, ऑप्शन डी सतलुज. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी इंडस. इंडस. Mohenjo-daro is located on the west bank of Indus River in present-day Pakistan. It was one of the major urban centers of Indus Valley civilization. Harappa, on the other hand, is situated 640 kilometers to the northeast on the bank of Ravi River. This portion. Question 22. The site of Mohenjo-daro was discovered by. मोहनजोदड़ो स्थल की खोज किसने की थी? ऑप्शन ए दयाराम साहनी, ऑप्शन बी आर डी बनर्जी, ऑप्शन सी एन जी मजूमदार, ऑप्शन डी एस आर राव. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी आर डी बनर्जी. आर डी बनर्जी discovered the site of Mohenjo-daro in 1922. Dairam Sahani had discovered Harappa in a earlier 1921. S.R. Rao discovered Lothal 1955. N.G. Majumdar discovered Chandhudro 1930. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 23. The largest number of Indus Valley civilization sites found in post-independence India is in इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद भारत में सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की सर्वाधिक स्थल किस राज्यों में पाए गए हैं? ऑप्शन ए राजस्थान, ऑप्शन बी गुजरात, ऑप्शन सी पंजाब, ऑप्शन डी हरियाणा। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी गुजरात। Gujarat has the highest number of Harappan sites discovered after independence. It includes EIVC cities such as Dhulavira, Lothal, Goladhora. This Goladhora. This makes Gujarat a significant center of Harappan civilization. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 24. In which of the following Indus Valley sites the famous bull seal was found? निम्नलिखित में से किस धातु निम्नलिखित में से किस सिंधु घाटी स्थल पर प्रसिद्ध बेल की मोहरें पाई गई थी? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदाड़ो, ऑप्शन सी लोथल, ऑप्शन डी चामुंडू। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा। The famous bull seal, which is a square-shaped, sticky-type seal depicting a humpless bull and inscriptions, was discovered at Harappa. This artifact reflects the artistic skill of Harappan people and is believed to date from 2450 to 2200 BCE. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 25. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization site was located on the Iranian border? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के स्थल ईरान की सीमा पर स्थित था? ऑप्शन ए सुरको टाड़ा, ऑप्शन बी सुफ्ता जेंडर, ऑप्शन सी कोट डीजी, ऑप्शन डी बालाकोट। तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी सुफ्ता जेंडर। Sutka Jendor is the westernmost site of Indus Valley civilization, located near the Iran-Pakistan border in Balochistan province. It served as a state, it served as a strategic location on the trade route from Lothal to Mesopotamia and was associated with fishing trade. Is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. 26. In which of the following Indus Valley sites the cemetery R37 was found? इनमें से किस सिंधु घाटी स्थल पर cemetery R37 पाया गया था? ऑप्शन ए लोथल, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन सी हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन डी धोलावीरा। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी हड़प्पा। Cemetery R37 is located at Harappa and contains about 200 burials. It is believed to be a family or group burial site indicating a social hierarchy. Harappa also includes Cemetery H, another major burial site. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 27. Which of the following is the most common motif of Indus seals? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा चिन्ह सिंधु घाटी के सिल पर सबसे सामान्य रूप से पाया गया था? ऑप्शन ए एलिफेंट, ऑप्शन बी बुल, ऑप्शन सी राइनोसरस, ऑप्शन डी यूनिकॉर्न। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी यूनिकॉर्न। Unicorn, a mythical one-horned animal, is the most common motif found on Indus Valley seals. The seals often depict the unicorn alongside script symbols, believed to have symbolic or administrative purposes. This portion for those who are comfortable for Hindi. Question 28. The dockyard at Lothal was well connected with the river. लोथल में स्थित डॉकयार्ड किस नदी से जुड़ा हुआ था? ऑप्शन ए घग्गर, ऑप्शन बी भोगावा, ऑप्शन सी नर्मदा, ऑप्शन डी ताप्ती। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी भोगावा। The dockyard at Lothal, one of the most prominent maritime facilities of Indus Valley civilization, was connected to Bhogava River. This river linked the port to Aravansi, indicating a thriving trade network. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 29. The Indus Valley Civilization people traded with the सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के लोग किसके साथ व्यापार करते थे? ऑप्शन ए रोमांस, ऑप्शन बी पार्थियंस, ऑप्शन सी मेसोपोटामियंस, ऑप्शन डी चाइनीज. तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी मेसोपोटामियंस. The people of Indus Valley civilization mainly traded with Mesopotamia. Mesopotamians referred to the Indus region as Meluha. Fact, it is very important. The trade routes included intermediaries like Dilmun and Makan. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 30. Which of the following was unknown in Indus Valley civilization? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता में अज्ञात था? ऑप्शन ए व्हेट, ऑप्शन बी pulses, ऑप्शन सी barley, ऑप्शन डी cotton. तो correct answer is option B pulses. There is no archaeological evidence of pulses being consumed during Indus Valley period. The main crops were wheat, barley, mustard, peas, sesame, and cotton. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. 31. Which type of seals was the most popular in Harappan culture? हड़प्पा संस्कृति में किस प्रकार की मोहरे सील्स सबसे लोकप्रिय थी? ऑप्शन ए ओवल, ऑप्शन बी सिलिंड्रिकल, ऑप्शन डी राउंडेड, ऑप्शन डी क्वाड्रेट. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी क्वाड्रेट. Most of the Harappan seals were made in a quadrate square shape and often depicted animals like bulls, unicorns, elephants with inscriptions in Harappan script. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 32. Remains of horses. घोड़े की हड्डियां की अवशेष कहां से मिली है? ऑप्शन ए मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन बी लोथल, ऑप्शन सी सुको टाडा, ऑप्शन डी सुक्टा जेंडर. The correct answer is option C सुको टाडा. Excavation at Sukotada is in Gujarat revealed horse remains dating back to 2000 BCE. This is significant because horses were previously thought to be absent in Indus Valley civilization. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 33. In which of the following Indus Valley civilization sites the cotton piece was found? निम्नलिखित में से किस सिंधु घाटी स्थल पर कपास का टुकड़ा मिला था? ऑप्शन ए मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन बी लोथल, ऑप्शन सी हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन डी चामुंडलो. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए मोहनजोदड़ो. A piece of woven cotton cloth was found at Mohenjo-daro. It shows that Indus people knew how to grow, spin, and weave cotton. They likely exported cotton as a trade good. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 34. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization sites provides the evidence of fire altars? निम्नलिखित में से किस सिंधु घाटी स्थल से अग्निकुंडों का प्रमाण मिला है? ऑप्शन ए आलमगीरपुर, ऑप्शन बी कालीबंगा, ऑप्शन सी बनवाली, ऑप्शन डी कुना. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी कालीबंगन. Kalibangan in Rajasthan is notable for its fire altars, which are linked to ritualistic activities. It also shows evidence of plowed agricultural fields, camel bones, structured burial system. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 35. The earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent has been obtained from भारतीय सबकॉन्टिनेंट में किसी के सबसे प्राचीन प्रमाण किस स्थल से प्राप्त हुई है? ऑप्शन ए ब्रह्मगिरी, ऑप्शन बी चिरान, ऑप्शन सी मेहरगढ़, ऑप्शन डी बुरजाहा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी मेहरगढ़. मेहरगढ़ located in present day Balochistan, Pakistan is one of the earliest sites of farming and herding in South Asia, dating back to 6500 BCE. The inhabitants cultivated wheat and barley and domesticated cattle, sheep, goats. This marks the transition from hunting, gathering to a settled agricultural lifestyle. This portion is for those who are comfortable is with Hindi. Question 36. Which of the following was not worshipped by Indus Valley people? निम्नलिखित में से किसकी पूजा सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की लोगों द्वारा नहीं की जाती थी? ऑप्शन ए शिवा, ऑप्शन बी पीपल, ऑप्शन सी मदर गॉडेसेस, ऑप्शन डी विष्णु. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी विष्णु. People worship nature and fertility related deities. Archaeological finds shows worship of a proto Shiva, Pasupati figure, mother goddesses, and sacred trees like people. However, there is no evidence of worship of Vishnu in the Indus Valley civilization. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 37. The excavation at Chamudro was directed by चारहुदरो की खुदाई किसके निदर्शन में हुई थी? ऑप्शन ए जॉन मार्शल, ऑप्शन बी जे एच मैके, ऑप्शन सी एम व्हीलर, ऑप्शन डी एरोल स्टेन. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी जे एच मैके. Was first surveyed by N.G. Majumdar in 1931 and later excavated in 1935-1936 by British archaeologist J.H. Mackay. It is a prominent Indus Valley site located in Sindh, Pakistan, known for its bead making and other crafts. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. A granary outside to citadel was found at citadel से बाहर गैनरी किस स्थल पर पाया गया था? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदाड़ो, ऑप्शन सी लोथल, ऑप्शन डी धोलावीरा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदाड़ो. At Mohenjo-daro, a large granary was found outside citadel area. This suggests a system of grain collection, possibly of tax or communal storage. While individual farmers likely had their own granaries too. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 39. Which of the following sites of Harappan culture gives evidence of Sindhu? निम्नलिखित में से किस हड़प्पा स्थल से सिंदूर की प्रमाण मिली है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदाड़ो, ऑप्शन सी नसोरो, ऑप्शन डी बालाकोट. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी नसोरो, नसेरो. At Nasero, which is near the Meherko, archaeologists found evidence of Vermilion and Sindhu. This site reflects continuity from early agricultural practice to mature human Harappan urban culture. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 40. Indus Valley Civilization Site, Manda, is situated near the bank of सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की स्थल मंडा किस नदी के किनारे स्थित थी? ऑप्शन ए सतलेज, ऑप्शन बी झेलम, ऑप्शन सी चिनाब, ऑप्शन डी इंडस. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी चिनाब. Manda is located on the right bank of Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir. It is the northernmost site of Indus Valley Civilization. Question 41. The archaeological findings from Alongirpur in Meru district reflect that मेरठ डिस्ट्रिक्ट के आलमगीरपुर से प्राप्त आर्कोलॉजिकल फाइंडिंग्स किस काल को दर्शाता है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा पीरियड, ऑप्शन बी वैदिक पीरियड, ऑप्शन सी बुद्ध पीरियड, ऑप्शन डी मौर्य पीरियड. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा पीरियड. Alongirpur, located in Meru district of Uttar Pradesh, is known as the easternmost site of Indus Valley civilization. These artifacts discovered here, like pottery beds, belong to late Harappan age, proving Harappan culture influence in Ganga Jamuna Doab. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 42. In which of the following sites has a pre-Harappan settlement not been found? निम्नलिखित में से किस स्थल पर प्री हड़प्पन बस्ती के प्रमाण नहीं मिली है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन सी कालीबंगन, ऑप्शन डी धोलावीरा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा. Pre-Harappan settlements have been discovered at Kalibangan, Dholavira, and other sites, but Harappa does not provide conclusive evidence of separate pre-Harappan layer. The urban settlement found at Harappa is mainly for the mature Harappan phase. This portion is for those who are comfortable with him. Question 43. The Director General of Archaeological Survey of India at the time of excavation of Harappan site was हड़प्पा स्थल की खुदाई के समय डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया कौन थे? ऑप्शन ए दयाराम साहनी, ऑप्शन बी आर डी बनर्जी, ऑप्शन सी जॉन मार्शल, ऑप्शन डी मार्टिमन व्हीलर. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज जॉन मार्शल. ऑप्शन सी जॉन मार्शल. During the early 1920s, Sir John Marshall was the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, 1902-1928. Under his leadership, excavations began at Harappa by Daram Sahan and Mohenjo-daro by R.D. Banerjee, which led to discovery of Indus Valley civilization. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 44. The most suitable name of Indus Valley civilization is सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता का सबसे उपयुक्त नाम क्या है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन, ऑप्शन बी इंडस सिविलाइजेशन, ऑप्शन सी सरस्वती सिविलाइजेशन, ऑप्शन डी ब्रोंज टाइम सिविलाइजेशन. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन. The term Harappan civilization is most suitable because Harappa was the first site to be excavated in 1921 and it lies in central region of civilization. The cultural and urban features found here represent the border characteristics of entire civilization. Question 45. A clay model of plow has been found from हल्की मिट्टी का मॉडल निम्न से किस स्थल से प्राप्त हुई है? ऑप्शन ए बनवाली, ऑप्शन बी कालीबंगन, ऑप्शन सी राखीगढ़ी, ऑप्शन डी मिथाल. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए बनवाली. A clay model of plough was discovered at Banwali, located in Fatehpur district of Haryana. This indicates the use of agricultural tools and the importance of farming in Harappan's life. Banwali lies on the bank of river Saraswati and is an important Harappan site. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 46. In the excavation of Harappan sites, bones of camels have been found at हड़प्पा स्थलों की खुदाई में ऊंट की हड्डियां कहां से प्राप्त हुई है? ऑप्शन ए कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन डी लो, ऑप्शन बी हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन डी मोहनजोदड़ो. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए कलिबंगन. Camel bones have been discovered at Kalibangan, located in Rajasthan. These findings indicates that camels were known and possibly domesticated and used by people of Indus Valley civilization for transport or trade. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 47. A glaring evidence of art of dance in Harappan culture comes from हड़प्पा संस्कृति में नृत्य कला का स्पष्ट प्रमाण कहाँ से मिला है? ऑप्शन ए लोथल, ऑप्शन बी हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन सी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन डी कालीबंगा। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी मोहनजोदड़ो। The bronze statue of dancing girl found at Mohenjo-daro is a striking example of Harappan art and culture. This artifact suggests that dance was not only practiced but possibly held a place in cultural and or religious life. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 48. Which among the following was the most extensive Harappan city? निम्न में से कौन सा सबसे विस्तृत हड़प्पा नगर था? ऑप्शन ए बनवाली, ऑप्शन बी रोपड़, ऑप्शन सी लोथल, ऑप्शन डी राखीगढ़ी। The correct answer is option D, Rakhigadi. Rakhigadi, located in Hisar district of Haryana, is currently considered the largest Harappan site discovered so far, even surpassing Mohenjo-daro in size. It covers around 350 hectares, and excavations have revealed urban planning, drainage systems, and craft production. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 49. From which of the Harappan sites has the evidence of bead making been found? हड़प्पा स्थलों में से किस स्थल से पीठ का निर्माण की साक्ष्य मिली है? ऑप्शन ए धोलावीरा, ऑप्शन बी रोपड़, सी चंदहुद्रो, ऑप्शन डी कालीबंगा। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी चंदहुद्रो। Chandro was a major site where evidence of beadmaking workshop has been found. Beads were made from the semi-precious stones, gold, silver, and ivory. The site also shows expertise in the ivory carving and inlay work, showing the craftsmanship of Harappans. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 50. Name the site which has revealed the earliest evidence of settled life. निम्न में से किस स्थल से बसावट वाले जीवन की सबसे प्रारंभिक प्रमाण मिली है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन सी कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन डी मेहरगढ़। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी मेहरगढ़। Mehergarh, located in present-day Pakistan, provides the earliest evidence of settled life in Indian subcontinent, dating back to 7000 BC. People here practiced farming, domestication of animals, and pottery making. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 51. The most common form of Harappan seal is Harappa seal का सबसे सामान्य रूप क्या था? ऑप्शन ए सिलिंड्रिकल, ऑप्शन बी रेक्टेंगुलर, ऑप्शन सी स्क्वायर, ऑप्शन डी राउंडेड। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी स्क्वायर। Answer. The square seal is the most common among the Harappan seals. These seals were usually made of steatite and contained animal motifs and inscription in Indus script. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 52. Which of the following ethnic races was not found from the skeletons of Harappan sites? हड़प्पा स्थलों से प्राप्त कंकालों में निम्न से कौन सी एथनिक रेस नहीं पाई गई? ऑप्शन ए अल्पाइन, ऑप्शन बी मेडिटेरियन, ऑप्शन सी मंगोलॉइड, ऑप्शन डी निग्रिटो। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी नेग्रिटो। Among the skeletal remains found at Harappan sites, Negrito features have not been observed. The observed racial Types included Alpine, Mediterranean, and Mongoloid. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 53. Which one among the following sites is located in the valley of Ghaggar and its associated rivers? निम्न में से कौन सा स्थल घगर नदी और उसके सहायक नदियों की घाटी में स्थित है? ऑप्शन ए आलमगीरपुर, ऑप्शन बी लोथल, ऑप्शन सी कालीबंगन, ऑप्शन डी बनवाली. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी कालीबंगन. Kalibangan is located on the banks of Ghaggar River, which is believed by many scholars to be the ancient Saraswati River. It shows evidence of pre-Harappan and Harappan phases, including plowed fields and its fire altars. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 54. Which of the following Harappan sites was found earliest evidence of surgery? निम्नलिखित में से किस हड़प्पा स्थल से सर्जरी की सबसे प्रारंभिक प्रमाण मिली है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन सी कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन डी धोलावीरा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी कलिबंगन. At Kalibangan, the archaeologists discovered evidence of surgical practices. A skull showed a clear mark of trepanation, a hole drilled in the skull, and used for therapeutic reasons, possibly to relieve cranial trauma. This suggests that early Horophants had medical and surgical knowledge. This portion is for those who are comfortable with him. Question 55. Which of the following Harappan sites shows the earliest evidence of earthquake? निम्न में से किस हड़प्पा स्थल से भूकंप के सबसे प्रारंभिक प्रमाण मिली है? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन सी कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन डी धोलावीरा. तो correct answer is option C, Kalibangan. Kalibangan provides the earliest archaeological evidence of an earthquake in India, dated around 2600 BC. This natural disaster possibly led to the abandonment of the early Harappan settlement there. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 56. The three-paired cemetery was found in. Three-paired कब्रिस्तान कहाँ पाया गया था? ऑप्शन ए कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन बी लोथल, ऑप्शन सी चान्हुद्रो, ऑप्शन डी मोहनजोदड़ो. So correct answer is option B, Lothal. Paired cemetery was discovered at Lothal. The graves were arranged in three patterns, which suggest social or ritual differences in burial practices of Harappan people. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 57. Which among the following is not a site of Indus Valley civilization? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा स्थल सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता का नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए बनवाली, ऑप्शन बी राखीगढ़ी, ऑप्शन सी हस्तिनापुर, ऑप्शन डी रोपड़. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी हस्तिनापुर. Hastinapur is not associated with Indus Valley civilization. It is famous as a capital of Kuru dynasty from Mahabharata era. Other portions are genuine Harappan sites. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 58. On which object do we mainly find the inscriptions of Harappan civilization? हड़प्पा सभ्यता की अभिलेख मुख्यतः किस वस्तु पर पाए जाते हैं? ऑप्शन ए on pillars, option B on rocks, option C on caves, option D on seals. Harappan inscriptions were mostly found on seals, typically made of steatite. These seals bear Indus script and open so. Question 68. Which Indus civilization site had a unique water management system? कौन सा सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता का स्थान अद्वितीय जल प्रबंधन प्रणाली के लिए प्रसिद्ध थे? ऑप्शन ए कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदाड़ो, ऑप्शन सी धोलावीरा, ऑप्शन डी हड़प्पा। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी धोलावीरा, including reservoirs, step wells, stone chemicals, canals, stone channels. It is considered the world's earliest known fully functional water management system built entirely of stone. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 69. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization sites gives an evidence of a lipstick? निम्नलिखित में से किस सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के स्थल से लिपस्टिक की प्रमाण मिली है? ऑप्शन ए चामुद्रू, ऑप्शन बी बनवाली, ऑप्शन सी मोहनजोदाड़ो, ऑप्शन डी कलिबंगन। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए चामुद्रू। Chanhudro provides archaeological evidence of the use of cosmetics like including lipstick. The site suggests that people of the Indus Valley were conscious of personal grooming and cosmetics. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 60. The site of Alamgirpur is located on the bank of which river? आलमगीरपुर स्थल किस नदी के किनारे स्थित है? ऑप्शन ए मस्करा, ऑप्शन बी हिंडौन, ऑप्शन सी चेनाब, ऑप्शन डी हदर। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी हिंडौन। Alamgirpur, situated 27 kilometers west of Meerut, is located on the left bank of Hindon River, a tributary of Jamuna. It is the easternmost site of Indus Valley civilization. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 61. In Indus Valley civilization period, lapis lazuli was imported from सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के समय लेपिस लाजुली नीलमणि का आयात कहां से किया जाता था? ऑप्शन ए बदक्सा, ऑप्शन बी ईरान, ऑप्शन सी मेसोपोटामिया। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए बदक्सा। Seri Sang mines in Badakhsha, northeastern Afghanistan, were the main source of lapis lazuli. The Indus Valley people imported it for making ornaments and trade. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 62. Indus Valley civilization was Sindhu Ghati Sabhata thi. Option A, father base. Option B, mother base. Option C, same rights of mother and father. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, mother base. The Indus Valley civilization appears to be the mother center, as suggested by the worship of mother goddesses, and women seem to enjoy equal respect and honor in society. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 63. Which of the following was one of the causes of Harappan decline? निम्न में से कौन सा हड़प्पा सभ्यता के पतन का एक कारण था? ऑप्शन ए इकोलॉजिकल चेंज, ऑप्शन बी अर्थक्वेक, ऑप्शन सी आर्जो अटैक, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ दीज। For decline of Indus Valley civilization is unknown. However, scholars believe it could be due to ecological changes, natural disasters like earthquake and invasion of Arju. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 64. People of Indus Valley believed it. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के लोग इसमें विश्वास करते थे। ऑप्शन ए स्पिरिट एंड ब्रह्मा, ऑप्शन बी रिचुअल, ऑप्शन सी sacrificial system, ऑप्शन डी मदर गॉडेसेस। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज मदर गॉडेसेस। Valley civilization worship mother goddesses as a symbol of fertility. Numerous terracotta figurines of women with prominent hips and breasts found at Harappan sites represent this belief. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 65. Who was the director of the archaeological excavation that led to the discovery of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? हड़प्पा और मोहनजोदाड़ो की खोज के लिए किए गए पुरातात्विक उत्खनन के निदेशक कौन थे? ऑप्शन ए लॉर्ड मैकोले, ऑप्शन बी जॉन मार्शल, ऑप्शन सी क्लाइव, ऑप्शन डी कॉर्नेल टोड. The correct answer is said John Marshall. John Marshall, as the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, was responsible for the excavation at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, which brought the Indus Valley civilization into light. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 68. Human society is unique because it depends mainly on मानव समाज अद्वितीय है क्योंकि ये मुख्य किस पर आधारित है? ऑप्शन ए कल्चर, ऑप्शन बी इकोनॉमी, ऑप्शन सी रिलीजन, ऑप्शन डी साइंस. The correct answer is option A, culture. Human society is unique due to independence on culture, which encompasses the language, art, custom, belief, and values. Culture is learned, shared, and passed across the generations, forming the foundation of societies. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 69. Which of the following is related to Harappan civilization? निम्नलिखित में से कौन हड़प्पा सभ्यता से संबंधित है? ऑप्शन ए सुमेरियन civilization, option B Chinese civilization, option C Roman civilization, option D Mayan civilization. So correct answer is option A Sumerian civilization. Sumerian civilization had trade and contact with Sumerian civilization of Mesopotamia. Evidence such as Mesopotamian seals and references to Meluha confirm this link. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. The excavation at Chanhudro was directed by चांदुरो की खुदाई का निदर्शन किसने किया था? ऑप्शन ए जेज मैके, बी सर जॉन मार्शल, सी आर ई एम व्हीलर, डी आर एरल स्टेट. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए जेएच मैके. Chanhudro, a site of Indus Valley civilization located in Sindh, Pakistan, was excavated under the supervision of J.H. Mackey in 1930. It is known for bead making, silk working, and toy manufacturing. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 71. Rangpur, where contemporary of Harappan civilization were found, is in रंगपुर जहां हड़प्पा सभ्यता के समकालीन अवशेष मिली है किस राज्यों में है? ऑप्शन ए पंजाब, ऑप्शन बी ईस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश, ऑप्शन सी सौराष्ट्र, ऑप्शन डी राजस्थान. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी सौराष्ट्र. Rangpur is an archaeological site located in Saurashtra, Gujarat. It represents a late Harappan scientific settlement, provides evidence of continuity after mature Harappan phase. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 72. Dadheri is a late Harappan site of. डडहरी किस राज्यों का उत्तर हड़प्पा स्थल है? ऑप्शन ए जम्मू, ऑप्शन बी पंजाब, ऑप्शन सी हरियाणा, ऑप्शन डी यूपी. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी हरियाणा. क्वेश्चन 73. इंडस वैली पीपल ट्रेडेड विद. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के लोग किससे व्यापार करते थे? ऑप्शन ए चाइनीज, ऑप्शन बी मेसोपोटामियंस, ऑप्शन सी पार्थियंस, ऑप्शन डी रोमन्स. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी मेसोपोटामिया. The Indus Valley civilization had trade relations with Mesopotamia, as confirmed by Mesopotamian texts mentioning trade with Meluha. Items like lapis lazuli, beads, and ivory were traded. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 74. The Indus Valley Civilization is specialized in सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता किस क्षेत्र में विशेष थी? Option A, town planning. Option B, architecture. Option C, craftsmanship. Option D, all of these. तो correct answer is option A, town planning. Question 75. Who among the following was not associated with the excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? निम्नलिखित में से कौन हड़प्पा और मोहनजोदाड़ो की खुदाई में संबंधित नहीं था? ऑप्शन ए आर डी बनर्जी, ऑप्शन बी के एन दीक्षित, ऑप्शन सी एम एस भैट्स, ऑप्शन डी वी एस स्मिथ. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी वी एस स्मिथ. R. D. Banerjee, K. N. Dixit, M. S. Vats were involved in excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, but V. A. Smith was an historian not directly associated with their excavation. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 76. An ivory scale in Harappan context was found at. An ivory scale in Harappan context कहाँ से मिली है? ऑप्शन ए कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन बी लोथल, ऑप्शन सी धोलावीरा, ऑप्शन डी बनवाली. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी लोथल. An ivory scale was found at Lothal showing the Harappans' understanding of precise measurement. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 77. Which one among the following sites is located in the valley of the Ghaggar? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा स्थल घग्गर नदी की घाटी में स्थित है? ऑप्शन ए कालीबंगन, ऑप्शन बी मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन सी रोपड़. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए कालीबंगन. Kalibangan is located on the bank of Ghaggar River in Rajasthan. It was an important city of Indus Valley civilization. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 78. From where the evidence of rock cut architecture were found with reference to Harappa civilization. हड़प्पा सभ्यता के हड़प्पा सभ्यता के एविडेंस ऑफ रॉक कट आर्किटेक्चर कहाँ से प्राप्त हुई है? ऑप्शन ए कालीबंगन, ऑप्शन बी धोलावीरा, ऑप्शन सी कोडिजी, ऑप्शन डी आमी. So correct answer is option B, Dholavira. 179. Dholavira is located in the state of Dholavira किस राज्यों में स्थित है? ऑप्शन ए गुजरात, ऑप्शन बी हरियाणा, ऑप्शन डी सी पंजाब, ऑप्शन डी राजस्थान. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए गुजरात. Dholavira is located on the Kadipet Island in the Ran of Kutch, Gujarat. Question 80. Which one of the following was not known to Harappans? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी चीज हड़प्पा वासियों को ज्ञात नहीं थी? ऑप्शन ए कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ wells, ऑप्शन बी कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पिलर्स, ऑप्शन सी कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ड्रेन्स, ऑप्शन डी कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ आर्चेस. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ आर्चेस. The Harappan were skilled in urban planning and built well and drains, but construction of arches was not known to them. The arch technique came much later with the Maurya and Mughals. This portion is for those who are comfortable with Hindi. Question 81. A copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered at. हड़प्पा काल का एक कॉपर चैरियट निम्नलिखित में से कहाँ पाया गया था? ऑप्शन ए कुंतल, ऑप्शन बी राखीगढ़ी, ऑप्शन सी दहमाबाद, ऑप्शन डी बनवाली. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी दहमाबाद. A copper chariot dating to late Harappan age was discovered at Daimabad in Maharashtra. It suggests the trade and cultural links with Deccan region. Question 82. One of the following sites from where famous bull seal of Indus Valley civilization was found. निम्नलिखित में से किस स्थल से सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की प्रसिद्ध बेल की मोहर प्राप्त हुई ही? ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन बी चांगुडू, ऑप्शन सी लोथल, ऑप्शन डी मोहनजोदड़ो. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए हड़प्पा. The Bull Seal is one of the most iconic seals of Indus Valley civilization and was discovered from Harappa. It possibly represents religious or trade significance. Question 83. Which Harappan city is divided into three parts? कौन सा हड़प्पा नगर तीन भागों में विभाजित था? ऑप्शन ए लोथल, ऑप्शन बी कालीबंगन, ऑप्शन सी धोलावीरा, ऑप्शन ई सुकोटारा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी धोलावीरा. Dholavira is only Harappan site divided into three distinct parts: Citadel, Middle Town, and Lower Town. Fourth one is question 84. The first metal used by the man was मानव द्वारा उपयोग की गई पहली धातु कौन सी थी? ऑप्शन ए गोल्ड, ऑप्शन बी सिल्वर, ऑप्शन सी तांबा, ऑप्शन डी आयरन. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी तांबा. Copper was the first metal used by humans during Chalcolithic period. Question 85. Two Indians who were associated with the discovery of the Indus Valley civilizations were सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की खोज से जुड़ी दो भारतीय कौन थे? ऑप्शन ए राखालदास बनर्जी एंड दारम साहनी, ऑप्शन बी जॉन मार्शल एंड ईश्वरी कोसर, ऑप्शन सी आशीर्वादी लाल श्रीवास्तव एंड रंगनाथ राव, ऑप्शन डी माधो सारू भट्ट एंड वी राव. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए राखालदास बनर्जी एंड दारम साहनी. दारम साहनी excavated Harappa. Question 86. The main source of knowledge about the inhabitants of Indus Valley civilization is the discovery of सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता की निवासियों के बारे में ज्ञात का मुख्य सोर्स क्या था? ऑप्शन ए seals, ऑप्शन बी utensils, jewelry, weapons, tools, ऑप्शन सी टेम्पल, ऑप्शन डी scripts. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए seals. Question 87. Which one of the following animals was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of Harappan culture? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा पशु हड़प्पा संस्कृति के मुद्राओं और मिट्टी का कला में नहीं दर्शाया गया था? ऑप्शन ए काव, ऑप्शन बी एलिफेंट, ऑप्शन सी राइनोसर्स, ऑप्शन जी टाइगर. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए काव. Harappan seals and terracotta figurines depict many animals like elephants, rhinoceros, tigers, etc. But the cow, which later held religious significance, was notably absent from their art. Question 88. Which among the following Harappan site terracotta of plough was found? निम्नलिखित में से किस हड़प्पा स्थल से हल की मिट्टी का आकृति प्राप्त हुई थी? ऑप्शन ए धोलावीरा, ऑप्शन बी बनवाली, ऑप्शन डी कलिबंगन, ऑप्शन डी लोथर. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी बनवाली. A terracotta model of plough was found at Banwali, indicating the use of agricultural tools in Harappan farming practices. Question 90. The Great Bath was found from Indus Valley Civilization Act. सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता से महान स्नानागार कहाँ मिला था? ऑप्शन ए मोहनजोदड़ो, ऑप्शन बी हड़प्पा, ऑप्शन सी लोथल और ऑप्शन डी कालीबंगा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए मोहनजोदड़ो. The Great Bath is the most remarkable structure of Mohenjo-daro and is believed to have been used for ritual bathing. Question 91. Which of the following is a Harappan fort? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा हड़प्पा फोर्ट था? ऑप्शन ए अलेक्जेंड्रिया, ऑप्शन बी लोथल, ऑप्शन सी महास्थानगढ़, ऑप्शन डी नागापट्टिनम. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी लोथल. Lothal in present-day Gujarat was a major port of India of Harappan civilization. It had a dockyard connected with the Gulf of Khamba. Question 93. Which among the following Harappan site terracotta of Plau was found? निम्नलिखित में से किस हड़प्पा स्थल से हल्की मिट्टी का आकृति प्राप्त हुई थी? ऑप्शन ए धोलावीरा, ऑप्शन बी बनवाली, ऑप्शन सी कालीबंगन, ऑप्शन डी लोथर. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी बनवाली. A terracotta model of plough was found at Banwali, indicating the use of agricultural tools in Harappan farming practice. The Great Bath was found from the Indus Valley Civilization at सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता से महान स्नानागार कहाँ मिली थी? ऑप्शन ए मोहनजोदड़ो. तो ये था 95 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो जरूर लाइक करना और जरूर सब्सक्राइब करना. थैंक यू.